Hello friends, the DeFi Doctor here, Head of Education from Decentralized Masters. Welcome to the January 2025 Market Update. If you thought 2024 was explosive for crypto, January 2025 just exceeded all expectations. The events of January 18th and 19th alone minted multi-millionaires overnight. I'm not joking. You heard that right. Millionaires and multimillionaires were minted overnight. This is history in the making. And the crazy thing is, this momentum is not slowing down. It's actually picking up. 2025 is going to be one of the biggest years in the cryptocurrency market that we've ever seen. And if you don't prepare yourself accordingly, you're going to lose out on the biggest returns we've ever seen. This is truly one for the history books. That's why in the next several minutes, I'm going to cover the events that just sent shockwaves through the crypto markets. Why this bull market is unlike anything we've ever seen before. And most importantly, I'll be telling you where this market is headed for the rest of 2025. And I'll be handing you an action plan on how to position yourself on the right side of this massive wealth transfer. If you're serious about taking advantage of the biggest financial opportunity of the decade and securing market-beating returns, then just stick around for the next few minutes. This could be the most important market update you'll ever watch this year. So without further ado, let's dive in. First up, let's cover a day that is setting off the next leg up in this bull market. January 20th was Mr. Trump's inauguration day. He's now officially the president of the United States. And if you take a look at the chart on your screen, you'll see that the inauguration has always triggered a price surge in the crypto market. 2017, bull run. 2021, bull run. 2025, mega bull run. Now, why a mega bull run? Because this year, it's not just about a president being sworn in. This is a man who's buying $90 billion worth of BTC over the next 5 years. You heard that right, $90 billion worth. This is a man who wants to pay off our $35 trillion debt with BTC. This is a man who promised he would make the US the crypto capital of the world. This is a man who wants all remaining BTC to be mined in the USA. And these initiatives begin the moment he steps into office. We've seen the effects of election already. BTC broke heights we never thought it would break. We had assets like XRP go up by 350%. And we even had assets like SWI surge over 100%, along with many more price surges. And those giants were fueled by just the announcement of his presidency. Now imagine what the crypto market will do when he's actually in office and is beginning to implement these policies. Major financial institutions are already making moves. They're securing their positions in this bull market fast. MicroStrategy is holding well over $10 billion worth of BTC. PayPal and JP Morgan have even created their own digital assets. These giants aren't waiting for the perfect moment. They're positioning themselves now because they understand that the market is going to explode in 2025. Now, we're already seeing the inauguration effects ripple through the crypto market. And what I'm about to share next is stone cold evidence that something massive is unfolding. This could be the biggest turning point in crypto history, and what it reveals about the future of the market could be life-changing. Trump, Melania, alt season. If you remember what I've mentioned in previous market updates, you'll remember that I said 2024 was Bitcoin's year. 2025 is altcoin season. And so far, I've been proved right. Because if you saw what happened this past weekend, you'll have seen the absolute insanity. January 17th, 2025, Donald Trump launches his own altcoin. 24 hours later, it's raised well over $14 billion in market cap. Over 500 millionaires have been minted overnight. And it's one of the most bullish events we've ever seen. I'm serious. Someone even put in $1 million on this project as soon as it came out, and came out the other side with $120 million. Yes, $120 million. And you know what? That's not even the craziest thing that happened, because Trump's wife, Melania, wanted in on the action. She also launched her own altcoin shortly after Donald. And the results were crazy too. More than $5 billion in market cap were raised in less than 24 hours. Plus, many more millionaires were minted. If these events don't signal that 2025 is the year of the altcoins, I don't know what does. And that happened in one weekend. Imagine what's going to happen throughout the entire 2025 with Trump as president. This is going to keep happening again and again and again. Plus, these two altcoins alone amassed $20 billion of fresh money in hours. This just shows the depth and potential of what can happen when new money flows into crypto. Trump is showing the way for every company and every person to move to crypto. It's extremely fast and unregulated. Trump is a businessman. He understands that money loves speed, not perfection. Crypto is all about speed. Objections. Now, let me quickly address one of the most important questions on everyone's mind. What's the biggest risk in the market right now? It can't all be upside, surely. I think the biggest risk that can come into the market is picking the wrong strategy. And the wrong strategy would be just riding out Bitcoin, XRP, or other traditional assets and hoping for the best. You're going to miss a ton of opportunities. Yes, assets like Bitcoin and XRP are going to surge in 2025. That's without a doubt. But the 2025 bull run is creating opportunities in emerging sectors within crypto far beyond traditional coins. By holding onto just a few assets, you risk missing out on the growth happening in other sectors of this market. For example, we've had lesser known assets like SWI surge by over 100% since Trump's election. Plus, you need to diversify your portfolio. Relying on just a few assets in a volatile market is like building a house on a single pillar. One shake and the whole structure will collapse. Diversification spreads your risk and makes sure your portfolio always stays stable no matter what happens. Now, I know there are trust concerns going into this bull market. Rightfully so. Crypto scams have made headlines, which is exactly why we have a team of the top 1% of investors, analysts, and educators here at Decentralized Masters to make sure you don't fall into these common pitfalls and scams going around. We've helped over 3,000 investors navigate this space safely with a proven investment system designed to protect your gains and minimize risk. That's probably why we have an industry-leading 4.9 star rating on Trustpilot. Plus, our partnerships with trusted names in the industry like Coinbase back up our commitment to security and transparency for your investments. And how can you make sure this is real? Well, let me open up our private community app and take you to the post that Tan, our founder, made. Look at all the comments. Your DeFi advisor will be able to show you any of these members' testimonial videos raw upon your request. What should you do to take maximum advantage of this explosive 2025 bull market? Here's what I recommend. Stick to spot. Pick your 5 blue chips. This is the absolute key, and that's what we help our members do first and foremost. Zoom out and manage your emotions during ups and downs by having a qualified professional by your side to keep you in check. And when you're up big, you can start taking profits and reallocating your portfolio to specific liquidity pools when everyone else is buying the top. Basically, follow a proven system that has made me financially secure and thousands of members extremely wealthy too. You have to adapt to this market or you risk losing everything you've worked for. This is the moment to take action because the next 4 years under this Trump administration will completely reshape the financial world. And if you don't adapt now, you may not just lose out on profits, you could lose your chance to secure your financial future entirely. Because 2025 is going to be the easiest year to do so. Mark my words. But by the time the masses catch on, it'll already be too late. Right now, the smartest investors are moving fast. So there are only two things you can do knowing what you know now. Option number one, wait, hope for the best, and risk being left behind. Or option number two, step up, take control, and learn how to secure your position in the most explosive financial opportunity of the decade. The clock is ticking. The market is already moving. This bull run won't wait for you. So why don't you let our DeFi advisors create you a tailored plan that positions you to capitalize on this incredible explosive market. This plan will help you potentially secure market-beating returns, grow your portfolio confidently, and stay well ahead of the curve in 2025's booming market. If that sounds good to you and you're not looking to miss out on this next wave of price growth, then apply for Decentralized Masters using the link below and secure your custom DeFi game plan before this opportunity passes. Apart from that, my friends, I'll see you on the next update. And remember, it's altcoin season. Prepare your portfolios accordingly. Click the link below and apply to secure your custom DeFi game plan. The bull run doesn't wait for anyone. Take care.